Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most very welcome. So it is with sad heart to announce the passing away of veteran life coach, philanthropist, and Crown Gospel Awards founder Zanele Mbokazi. She passed away on the 12th of August 2024. So the husband released a statement saying, "It is with heavy heart that we, the Nkambule and the Mbokazi family, announce the passing of our dearly beloved Miss Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of 12 August 2024 at Parklands Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, love, and support we received throughout her illness. The family would appreciate privacy as we navigate through this challenging time." Then announcement by husband Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule. I think a lot of people close to her were saying she was recovering well and what a gorgeous woman of God she was. We are praying for her to beat cancer, but unfortunately she has rested. May her soul rest in peace.